Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. Here's another video in the Functions in Python series. If you haven't watched the previous ones, feel free to do so. They include Introduction to Functions, Functions with Parameters, the Return Statement, Mandatory Parameters, Optional Parameters, Mutable Optional Parameters, Keyword Arguments, Arbitrary Number of Positional Parameters. In the previous video, we learned how to pass an arbitrary number of positional parameters to a function. In this video, we'll learn how to pass an arbitrary number of keyword parameters to a function. We can pass an arbitrary number of keyword parameters to a function using a double asterisk, like in the following example. Here we have the function capitals, and here we have an arbitrary number of keyword parameters, so we need these two stars over here. Now here we use the function with 1, 2, 3 keyword parameters. It could be 5, it could be 7 or 21, for example. Any number will do. And now let's try it out. Here's the output. The function just prints all the parameters which are stored in a dictionary. We could also use this function with a dictionary. A double asterisk would be used to unpack it. So here's our capitals function again, just the same as before. And now here we have a dictionary, cap dictionary. And here we want to unpack this dictionary. So this is treated as if all these elements of the dictionary were used one by one, just like before. Now if I run this, I will get this. Good. We can use the double star notation also to pass arguments explicitly. The keyword arguments passed this way are used as the keys and values of a dictionary. Have a look. Here we have a function capitals with one positional parameter, greeting, and an arbitrary number of keyword arguments. This function prints the greeting. And now for each country in this list of parameters, it prints the following string. The capital of, here comes the country, is, and here it checks in the dictionary of countries the capital of that country. So the element with the key country. So as you can see here, the keyword arguments are used just like the keys and values of a dictionary. Now here we call the function capitals with the first parameter greeting set to this string. So this greeting will be printed. And then we have an arbitrary number of keyword parameters. And these keyword parameters will be used just as if they were in a dictionary. So let's run this code. And here's the output. Hi, here are the capitals. This is the greeting. And here are our strings with the capitals and the countries. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.